IPOB, Biafra, and Biafra government in exile. The history will never forget you people. The election in Imo State, they don't finally do am yesterday, wey be 10th, no be today, wey be 11. Now they do the election. And the results don already dey ground since. As Simon Ekpa take talk am before, say they don already keep the result down, but many people no believe. So today, we go find how it take happen. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you never give this channel a follow, I don't know what you dey wait, because we are here to bring you ogbonge news as e dey hot. And if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, quickly go and subscribe immediately. Okay, my people, let's jump into the matter what we get for our hand today. Our brother, whether they call Nosonkwa, don't finally expose Hope Uzodinma and APC in Imo State. As he put a call since yesterday until today, people are calling in, bringing information of the election is going on yesterday, that is on 10th November 2023. And today, when they bring out their nonsense electoral material aside, then APC thugs are busy snatching it and replacing the result they have voted yesterday for them to call the winners. This is not only happening in Imo State, but it happened in other states like Kogi, Bayelsa, and other states. It happened also. So APC is the problem, the worst nightmare of this country called Nigeria. It's very clear. In Imo State, Hope Uzodinma is there as their agent. Anything that can happen, the worst thing that can happen to any state is that when you allow APC to be the governor of that state, you are finished. For you to bring it out from their hand again, God knows when. It take only the power of God for you to bring it out. I'm going to play this video by our brother Nosonkwa for you to, if you want to know what happened in this particular election, listen to this video. It's long, but from beginning to end, you understand everything that happened, how the Hope Uzodinma since yesterday, the APC that be doing the election since yesterday till today. 11 is just to call the result of who win, just to, you know, even see how police are stopping people from going to vote because they already have the result. There's no need. This is where they tell you they bring thousands of personnel, they bring this to make sure that they hold. Nonsense. Let's watch the video from beginning to end if you want to understand what happened from beginning to end.
People, the report of Ihe Megano is already coming in. Yesterday, somebody sent me a voice note. Can play go there first. Play a voice note here, then we can now go for under report to Ihe Mega today.
Hello, good evening, sir. I'll get no song. Thank you, Lengo. Don't drag one the mother. Because when information is my name, I'm on pressure. A bridge testing nam check already. This is my collection I can make tomorrow, being Saturday. Because on our OG ward now boot to 31 Bishop Court. So because a printer her PVC more than 1,000 pieces, fake one. I get to vote to my boot 31 now. So and that PVC a printer fake one I printer now. I say how they discuss how the INEC personal wala gano there. So no you have on your behind a word that card down here on the APC age previous to vote.
Reported.
The behind the matter so fake. Na INEC personal wala on there. Ghana bata the card because they discuss with these people. So I can make a maraman me.
Okay.
He bridge this thing now. Now on your words. Bishop
Okay. Yeah.
31 Bishop Court.
Boot
So
31
I
Bishop's
can
Court.
drop this information.
Yeah, we better report us to the web. Yeah. From today, many of our people we are reporting.
Hello. Hello, good morning, sir.
Morning.
Yeah. This morning, I'm not getting now. I want to be now one chamber like that.
One chamber, how? As in chamber a lawyer.
Number 125 P2.
Number again?
125 P2.
Okay.
So that's near hotel.
That's 125 Tetlo. Ka Biagaka now. 125 Tetlo. Ka APC Biagaka now. Nelu na chamber a lawyer.
Kemgbe yesterday achọwala m nọmba kemgbe yesterday, but my neighbor now I'm curious no nọmba gị enyezie m only information m chọrọ pass yesterday.
Okay.
All legit, you know.
Okay.
Yesterday from your radio station, I'm going to some log to Facebook account on.
Okay.
Ma hu nọmba edomere ebe a ma kpọ nọmba holding the onwe onye kwere pick ya ma pass information through typing.
Okay.
No reply. So this morning now, I did a program. I think one other not there.
Yes.
So yeah, we that number for WhatsApp numbers, no WhatsApp number. I have to add.
Okay.
Yes, I have to add.
Okay.
So me there, for security reasons because you have first class information.
Okay.
Me there, I say I we him yesterday.
Okay.
PC at all vote, and they paid 2,000 naira to people. Ana biaka direct to Beavers. Na yendo zeje me here.
Okay. Direct to
Beavers. Yes, they
Which
be
means
fast.
APC want to fake Beavers.
The location. Ebo, Emaya go a WhatsApp message in down. Run another my own. Go try first. They ask me yes, no matter no the location, but no three here.
Now, what's the location?
Yes. Now, I go three here. Take to charge so that when you follow things, you know how it will be. Then, now I go three here on air. Send the message immediately. Say, okay, send me your private number. Let me talk to you, or send me non-songwa number. Up to now, no way. So luckily, my number le Ebembi. Only somebody now. One bitter. The man she goes out by Kedru.
Okay.
But on Abia. Ebembi, he met an Ebano Jeba, Aroro. So when he came yesterday, very late, around after 3 to 4, I said, yeah, keep your plan by this time. What is happening? He was, full of joy. I want to take a home mother, before get your enemy. Yeah, I said, I had to go vote. See, I vote to what? Tomorrow, we election will 11 to be vote. Yes, Mbao, Nahana, upon Hana village, say Habia. Na he put a computer demand or say our computer capable. I say Habiaka, and you have 2,000. When you are Kenya 2,000, then you bring with 1 pint of rice. Maj was a LA party man here. That's Seba Hesere Aziza, Adria APC. I was like mad.
Hi.
Because when you bury my
Oh.
Me metroya. Throughout yesterday, I did more than 11 the environment there. Oh, they happy with him. Why did you get more dream mistake? A woman like you know, for 4 years, he might this state bigger. I won't state a bit, maybe member. So, I'm be about trying half for more what I'm there. At least I'm yes. Get him money. Okay, now is she side Kedru? Somebody. Kausgodi no one nego kana kidi gudi okay win kidi gudi vote yes na sandali ane nyego
Ane nyego cha
no nyego no even agra na even den nyego so oh him sikangwa goga no so
thank you very much.
This is what is happening.
Thank you.
That means Odri ha gaga kwa right round.
Yeah, thank you very much for the
report.
Yes,
This report the go na onwe ebe ha tụrụ la vote yesterday or Friday. Kende madu 2,000 naira. Okay.
Hello?
Also,
yeah, one.
see, and the PC Bramoku Blackers are talking to you and how to plan from pulling units now.
Which unit? Which polling unit?
Azus one.
Okay,
Azus one. Na ada nga da call me here. Apa da mo go say da call me here.
Na ime kwere ngene.
Na video ga well and I did not video anything. Ha ya do to get ha bribe one of those ladies no ga sha na ha me na ha the result. Well he no ga 106 mmadụ be nga he rube 10.
Okay.
Hashim that I should vote. I'm going to confirm when I'm voting APC. Masha will not vote anybody. I will not vote anybody. Can I make a new right now? As I'm talking to you now, you're not sending them here. I send them here. My boy, let it happen. Let it happen now. Baby, yes, so we let it to Maka. You just want to have my zoom and have it.
Okay.
I'm from the bullying unit. I'm asking you because I know when you're on ground. Other member didn't say APC.
Don't worry, we'll make that report, okay?
The same Azuzi, Ward 1, St. Paul's Primary School, Ebe Waterside, Ebe Mori Lane. The same Azuzi. INEC, take note. Cancellation of result loading for that Azuzi Ward 1.
Yeah. Yes. Because when situation now we want in the put now. Okay. Now Amuzi. I just Amuzi be side the more lane. That's in unit never. Yes. I can vote about. I could really buy a table, but I'm my vote for APC. They will kill me now. I get Kubuna. Are you serious? So I don't shut off west. Not only now, Zuzi word up here. I can't go. Ever support our side, Abi. That's we have given signal. I'm in the police and down in it. We have given signal to these people. We have given signals to them. Thank you very much, Nora. Sorry, I got from the call. I again. Police might just trust them. I'm just going to call the call. Okay, the police is together. Are you serious? The police call what they use. The police and the civil defense, who you for police, who is civil defense. The address and the caller. But are they not there when those people ask you to leave? I'm not there now. Which means how to call now? And even I say by now, I don't like the mandate they will deal with me now. Not there. I mean, I scared that people are the better way people there. And then that's a photo of 80 the negative. Are you giving me to that vote? I won't 80 come there. I say, it's better how they will deal with me. Thank you. Thank you very much. Morning.
I come from Waterside Primary School.
Waterside?
Yeah, I have went in the house. Yes, sir. I want to have police. Yeah, you look into it. Just remember what my hand get here.
Thank you.
I'm not 100 member.
Okay. Thank you, for the information.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
I'm calling from Unkwere, Ward 4.
Okay.
Please, they're using the military to intimidate us here in Unkwere, local government.
Ward 4?
Yes, Ward 4. Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Hello?
Yeah.
One street now, vote 8. Vote by in a long way about. I just got an email about. Vote by in a long way. Umezrike put 8. Now, as I'm talking to you, yes. Vote buying, we will only about now.
So let them get the vote buy.
APC, 4,000. APC, 4,000. Ashabaha.
Hey, Jesus Christ.
Ashabaha.
Hello.
No, so far, good morning.
Morning.
And we have problem now here for Omoguma.
Omoguma.
Ndị ha kpọrọ ndị police na ndị amị ama ha ndị amị on the police, they are all masked. And ebe ahụ scaring people from coming out to vote.
And on a polling unit, and far from polling unit.
I'm on airport. The polling units on the airport.
Okay, the polling on the airport there.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Ndewo. Morning.
I'm from Waterside Primary School.
Waterside.
Okay,
Hello?
Hello, okay, I probably from where west from Umugoma.
Okay, okay.
Hey, something.
Ballot box ko gini.
We have.
Check any of money ha buru ka mara ha buru na mmadụ ka buru ka gini ka buru. There's no what.
Okay, I'm going to come check.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Biko enwere ihe na-eme n'ọlụ enwere onye ga-esebere nọmba ọ ga-akpọ gị bikos ha chọrọ iri gị ndị ebuba ga-eburu election material gawa ebe ha ga-aga eri gị enwere a na-esendere gị nọmba onye ga-enye gị the whole information because he was there. A na-esendere gị nọmba onye aka ọ gbọọ gị ka onye akọwara gị ofuma.
Thank you very much. Hello?
Nọsọnkwa, good morning.
Good morning.
Enwere problem n'ahịa afọ Ụmụgụma.
Ụmụgụma.
Ndị ha kpọrọ ndị police na ndị amị ama mma ha.
Nọsọnkwa. Please add my report from Nkwe local government.
Okay.
Umuko Ward 3. The APC House of Assembly member just arrested the PDP local government chairman.
Okay.
The war chairman now.
Okay.
With the military. Adamagebe Haburi Agawana as I'm talking to you.
Okay.
It's like a war zone. Please.
Nkwere. Kedu the
Ward 3. Ward 3. Nkwere. Umuko Ward 3.
Okay. Umugo.
Because Umuko Ward 3.
Okay.
They want to remove the pulling unit from the original position.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
To their own place.
Odema, you cannot remove the original pulley unit. So INEC, I hope you are taking notes. Oh God.
Ekpa.
Yeah.
Na place now. That about 25 hours. That 1,000 PVC.
Noji.
Yes, Noji. I'm close to my house. So can I go and leave the secret or come up here?
Can you go?
In the PC discuss within the INEC. I don't go the order there.
Can we get pictures? I can get certain one die anyhow. We need pictures.
Or the videos.
More video, more picture, anything.
Okay, but as I'm jolly, but someone can PDP no come back or what the INEC man now go
No, you cannot do anything. Just let's get pictures or videos. Kaiba now immediately.
Okay.
Nọsọnkwa. Please add my report from Nkwe local government.
Okay.
I need to
Hello.
Yeah.
Good morning, Nọsọnkwa.
No,
because Azuzi was one temple and was outside. And Megan mother allowed to come and forth. Then I mind. I go to the city, I go to the place. And then you have to be okay.
And we have put the security agencies on alert, but I don't know what is happening.
Those people, I'm talking to you. Hada. The whole put agent mean my level, I had to go there. No,
Thank you very much, my brother.
I will end the police ever connect association home. I'm telling you, put in Tanga, we're association home.
Away, Gabi.
Yes, when I'm at the higher thing, I never will give how back.
It's okay. Hello? Yes.
Biko enwere ihe na-eme n'ọlụ enwere onye ga-esebere nọmba ọ ga.
Anyị na onye ekwugo. I think onye ahụ mechara kpọọ m unu gara ege ntị unu ga-ana.
Hello, nwunye.
Nwunye mmadụ.
Leke Megan.
Udo dịrị gị.
Dịkwara gị.
Nọnso parapara.
Nwunye giri. Election video.
Abrandi Christopher na.
Adị m awe.
Hello, tere kwa.
Udo.
Na-akpọpịara m atara ya na-gị taa personal number. Okay, I know now market school read him 06.
Video election there.
I bid
somebody not there, any APC, every gone Obaba. They were going to vote, they were going to vote, they were going to. Okay.
But why would our people be collecting money and voting for this party?
Hello. Also.
Gado.
Good morning, sir.
Gado.
Good morning, sir. How do you ma? Sir?
I'm
Gangi from here, Onitsha Road, close to ITC, not new here.
Now, you read
No, new ITC road.
Okay, yeah.
Behind that, Yaradua, yes, that yesterday, they put a radio, see, Nanda you to where the minister could give me, vote to APC. So, young now, one close to that place, and where one church and assemblies of God, and we put there. So, those youths now. Ejide will boss him with now they put that. We all are there vote to APC now. Singapore.
Okay,
yes. Even as him, I'm one. I don't know where the municipal. I'm a
okay. The youth ahụ kụrụ ekwe no were municipal buzi bossy mona na agba na so onye man ọ gaghị vote through APC apụtakwala. Okay.
Hello, Sopa.
Yeah, one.
Good morning.
Morning.
My name is Dr. Kizito Obioha.
Dr. Dewo.
Hello, Timera.
Udo.
Because I used to move from Ebenezer Umwezernati Ward.
Okay.
Lolo.
Okay.
So, Mwa Secretary LGA Labour Party.
Okay.
So, materials, I move the material from St. Joseph Umuna.
Okay.
So I put on that Johnson and I boy Johnson. The security people signing that the boss are because I was following behind with my vehicle.
Okay.
I stopped for the boss. Those security men, policemen, they need to. Where are they going to? I said I had whether they are overall. I said, hey, you are going to somewhere now. You didn't want to take their overall. What happened? So I know they say bad. Those people are but that have actually moved. But say you people cannot move to anywhere without these other people are. You know that?
Yeah.
So now continue, man up. Even the driver became my friend because he didn't know.
Okay.
So, it is either we go back to St. Joseph Umuna.
Yes.
Let there be that there is no election in my polling unit.
Exactly.
You understand? So, I have to commandeer them. I will turn back. I went back to that is actually by the local government. I'm not block. I said, you're not going anywhere.
Okay.
So I took them to St. Joseph Umuna.
Yes.
On getting to that place, I was one ambulance, all government ambulances.
Yes.
Security agents, yeah.
Okay.
One of them now came out and said, I think they have called the Solar. The Solar that would say, people take those people I command the now, my problem is here. See, if we are not going, let's go with the security men.
Exactly.
On our way back again, the same question, I stop what they are. Look when they go back. You know, I thought that the IG said that
we will not use it in this election. Yes. Yes.
But I was surprised seeing those people there, you know. So they now stop again. The man was like, why are you stopping again? What is happening? Before we know it, they now came and now was asking me, who are you? This and that. The guy said I should turn my distance. So for one chairman I said, please, so I thought was here. Election materials and the INEC officials. I move. And where they are going to, my country, is the Nabi Peke.
Okay.
That is where we are rigging this election in our own area. You know, also, Also clan.
Yes.
You know, in our we have the Su and also clan.
Yes.
You understand? Also clan, Inyoma, Opa Bala, Ami Feke, Ohe Kokuro, Oheke, Orafo. Ito and the Oberu. You understand? So this area, even at the time I went on that particular place, ndị ike nwere adị ihe a ogbe na ha gara na local gọọmenti ga na-eri the election ga na-complete ballot papers. So this is exactly what is happening in Olu now. In also clan, there is no election going on. They are completing ballot papers at Ochre Comprehensive Amifeke. That is where they are doing those things now at the moment.
Thank you. Thank you, my brother. We'll report it accordingly.
It's okay, my brother.
Yeah.
Other ejim n'aka na unu anụla ya ụmụnne m ndị Imo ejim n'aka na unu anụla ya ihe a voices from the polling units across Imo State. We'll keep reporting as it happens. INEC, take note. Security operatives, take note. It's like una adewala compromise, especially Kemege n'Olu. When they can do security adewala compromise. Unu use gebubago n'Olu, unu use geze ndị Olu emege ihe. This is voices from the polling units. We keep updating our paper.
Share this video because a day will come when you will need this evidence to tell the world that even though there is order from Biafra government in exile say no election, but people wanted to say no, they must vote, and finally they have gone out to vote, and but the person who they vote for is not person they give the position. Like what happened in presidential election is what also is going to happen in Imo State election. Hope Uzodinma must be there. There's no how they will remove Hope Uzodinma. So only God knows that the election had been done since yesterday, even long time ago. But yesterday was actually when they do all the whole framework they did yesterday and do their own voting. And today, which is 11, they come to show the people, yes, the election is taking place. Why? Everything they bring there is fake. So share the video and keep the video for a history. Don't be ignorant of say it don't concern you. It concern you. It's a history, it's part of your history. We are going to tell the people that even though we are fighting for the freedom and we say that we are not going to participate. Okay, look at these people participated that very day and look at what happened. So it's freedom. So use wisdom anything you are doing, guys. This is what happened in Imo State. We bring to you for you to know that the election is being done yesterday, not today. Okay, guys, we'll see you for the next update.